Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Mida and today we're going to do an unboxing of this Ridge Ryder 4-Drive Recovery Kit. So Supercheap Auto sent me this recovery kit to test and review. So in this video we're going to do an unboxing of this kit, and this recovery kit should aid to get you out if you find yourself stuck on the tracks. So this recovery kit should contain a snatch strap, an equalizer strap, a tree trunk protector, a winch extension strap, a snatch block, shackles and gloves. So as you can see from the box, it's a pretty well packaged kit. It's a nice size to just chuck in the back of the vehicle when you're heading out bush. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so you can see the bag here, wrapped up, and it's way too heavy to take out with the GoPro in my hand. So I'll put that back down. Jeez. Definitely has a bit of weight to it. And here we go. So straight out of the box, it was actually surprisingly heavy, but as you can see here, wrapped up nicely in plastic to protect it. So we'll take this off and have a closer look. Okay, so first impressions. The bag looks like it's made out of decent quality material. All the seams are fitting nicely. The nice badge on the front of it, and a nice handle to carry it. Here we go, let's have a look. So my guess is this is the Snatch Strap. Quite a decent looking strap. Nice bright yellow. So this is a 4-drive recovery snatch strap rated to 11 ton. Okay, next I think this is the winch extension strap. I presume this is a tree trunk protector or equalizer strap. Either way, one of these is the tree protector and the other one is the equalizer strap. So that'll be written on the tag somewhere. So when it comes to using it, I'll just have to make sure I grab the right one. Otherwise in here we have 2 shackles. This box in here, I'm gonna guess this is the snatch block. Here we go, rated to 8 ton. And then we also have a set of rigger's gloves in there as well. And there we have it, the Ridge Ryder Recovery Gear unboxing. These are all the items you get in the kit. It's neatly packaged away in this bag, which makes it perfect for throwing in the back of the car and grabbing it out when you need it. Very easy to find whatever you need. My only real complaint I have with this kit is there really should be a dampener with this, especially when it comes to snatch straps. I've personally seen a snatch strap break and I've seen how well a dampener works. It really reduces the force of that snatch strap when that thing sets loose. So one thing I want to add to this kit is a dampener. However, there are actually ways around this. You can actually use things such as the bag itself or using a jumper or anything like that, and you can actually use that as a dampener as well. But overall I think it's a great kit. I think it's got pretty much everything you need in it for most recoveries, with the only thing that is missing is a proper dampener. Okay, so that's it for this unboxing of the Ridge Ryder Recovery Gear. Next time you see this gear, we're going to be using it out on the tracks and giving it a proper test. So until then, catch you guys next time.